Welcome to PrometAI. This video will guide you on how to start crafting a customized business plan and valuation tailored to your needs. Let's get started. On your dashboard, locate and click the Create New button. Input the core details about your company. Start with the name and provide a detailed description of your business. Then choose the country, currency, and numbering conventions that align with where your business operates. Specify the project size, which refers to the amount of funding you are raising for your business. Enhance the visual appeal of your business plan by selecting a font and color theme that suits your company's branding. After entering your general company information, PrometAI will efficiently generate your complete business plan, allowing you to quickly view the output and presentations. This update minimizes time spent in the input section, streamlining your experience. Additionally, you retain the flexibility to revisit and refine details in the input section at any time, ensuring your plan perfectly matches your needs.